Hello students, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will learn to write a program to accept a number and check whether the number is palindrome or not by using the function name reverse int n. The function returns the reverse number to the main program that checks the palindrome number. So what you have to do? Take a number in main method, pass it to the function reverse int n, check, then find out its reverse number and return the reverse number to the main method and check that is your palindrome number or not. Okay, can you do this one? Do this one now. After completion of your program, see this video again. Okay, now I am explaining this one. This is the main method. In this method, In this method, I have taken a number that is a, and this is the object creation. This is the object creation. Then through object, the reverse function is called. That is reverse a means this is reverse function is calling through object ob, and this reverse function will return s that will be stored in the variable x. Okay, s is the reverse number, s will be stored in the variable x. If that reverse number means x and the original number that is a, if both are same, then this is your palindrome number. To check reverse number, to find the reverse number, this is the program. Find the reverse number. What is the process? While n greater than 0, r equal to n modulus 10, it will find the remainder. It will find the remainder, that is last digit of the number. Then s equal to s into 10 plus r, it will display the, it will find the reverse number. It will reverse the number. Okay, it will reverse the digits one by one. Let this is your, if, see, if the number is n equal to 153, if n equal to 153, first time value of r is 3, s is also 3, and n equal to n by 10 means value of n is 15. Next time r is 5, s is s into 10 means in s there is 3, so 3 into 10 means 30 plus 5, so 35, it will be reverse 35. Then n equal to n by 10, that means this is your 15. This is n equal to n by 10 means only 1. Then again value of r is 1, value of s is, this is 35 into 10, that is 350 plus r means 1. 350 plus 1, that is 351. So it will find the reverse of the number. S equal to s into 10 plus r, it will find the reverse of the number. Okay, this is the process for reverse. Then this s is the reverse number. S will return to the main method, to this variable x, and this s reverse number and original number will compare. If both are same, then this is your palindrome number. Now let us check your output. Have you done like this? Now let us check output. Enter a number. Let this one is 153. Enter. Not palindrome. Then again take another one. Example 121. 121 palindrome number. Okay, 153 not palindrome, 121 palindrome number. So this is the output. Okay.